Hey guys, Rhett here in Birmingham. What's going on? Down here at a client's property that he has under contract for $50,000. Let's do a walkthrough. All the windows are boarded up, so it might be dark, but come on in. Okay. So guys, walking in right away, first thing that I notice is stepping on glass as we come in. We've got a nasty door that needs to be removed. It's all trashed. Gotta get rid of this, okay? In our kitchen, we got our water heater. We got our supply lines for water for a washer dryer, okay, right here. And we have our kitchen, okay? Now, one thing you'll realize, I'm very anti buying properties that have fire damage. With that being said, we had some sort of small fire on the stove right here. One thing to mention, wherever the stove was, you guys can see which burner had the fire. It was probably the front right burner, okay? Because that's where we're seeing the majority of our burn. And we have a little bit of smoke damage on the roof, nothing that we can't fix easily. This is a very easy fix, okay? That being said, these are disgusting and gross. Probably nothing to do with the fire, they're just nasty. We're gonna come in here, guys. We're gonna rip all of this completely out, okay? This is gonna come out, this is gonna come out, this is gonna come out. We'll put in all new countertops, all new cabinets, take care of everything, all new boards off, we'll take all the boards off the windows, open this place up, all new flooring, do this thing the right way, okay? So guys, come in here, we have a nice big living room, okay? This entire house needs paint, this entire house needs flooring, this entire house needs electrical work done. Every aspect of this house we need to touch, okay? The floor is damaged in here, the electrical units are sideways, there's gaps in even some of the blanks where they've been punched off the walls, so we have to remove those as well. We're gonna do a ton of work in here, guys, okay? All these are boarded up. We're gonna throw these and trash these and get rid of them. As you can see, guys, we have boards here. And one of the issues though, guys, is, and you can't see it because there's a board behind it, but all these windows are cracked. So all of these windows, there are breaks, and they might be small, but there are small cracks in almost every single one of these windows. We're gonna have to replace almost every single piece of glass. Now, I think the windows are gonna be fine. The glass is not gonna be fine, okay? It's not gonna pass any kind of Section 8 inspection. We have to have that all removed, all right? So guys, coming in here, Parson, maybe you can get in there, but we have our full bathroom, okay? Now, what we'll probably do is get rid of that vanity, reglaze the tub, and put a new toilet in, okay? Otherwise, that's fine. Now, if you look up right over your head, we have some damage here as well. We'll need to correct that. Put some new wood in there and all new paint. Guys, in this house, it needs all new doors. Gotta take all the doors out, put all new doors in. A lot of the doors are damaged or falling apart, okay? Coming back here, guys, there's no light in this room. This is bedroom number 1, okay? Bedroom number 1 is a little bit smaller, but it's a good size. Big closet off the back, all right? Again, needs a new door. We got no door handle. We've got no doorknob. It's a big door. It's got a lot of damage. So something that we're definitely going to have to remove, okay? Drywall work throughout the whole house. You know, issues here. We'll cut out this piece right here of drywall. We'll put a new piece of drywall on and patch it and mud it and repaint it, okay? Guys, coming in here, this house has such big, beautiful rooms. It really is so nice. It's just, we gotta do everything, and it's a big house. So again, we have another formal living room in here, okay? We need to, again, fix the windows, take all the boards off. It does have a metal roof, which is nice. So we don't have to worry about any active leaks. I don't see any signs of active leaks. But small things, it needs all new vents. We have to redo the ceiling around the vent. Okay, guys, coming in here. Guys, again, big rooms. We're doing a lot of work. This room needs all new trim work painted. It needs new trim work down here. It needs all new door frames, guys. So every aspect of this house, every room needs something done. Okay, so even though we're gonna paint and we're gonna do new flooring throughout this whole thing, every room has woodwork that needs to be done. Every room has Drywall, holes in the drywall that need to be corrected, okay? This has a closet, we have a closet over here. But again, we need some outlet work to be done. We have to check and see if these outlets are grounded. If they're not grounded, the majority of these we tested earlier are not grounded. So we need to replace the electrical outlets, okay? Replace the switches as well, right? And then guys, moving to the front of the house, actually, this is the front. We have bedroom number 3, okay? Now, bedroom number 3, just like every other bedroom, needs everything, okay? It needs paint, it needs new flooring, it needs drywall work, there are holes, it needs new doors, doors are falling apart, it needs new door frames. As you guys can see, it's coming off this whole thing is cracked and busted, okay? It needs all new woodwork and everything here, and it needs drywall work, like right over here, okay? This is a big hole, okay? You can see I'm pushing this in, okay? So we gotta replace all that. I don't even know what is going on back here. I'm not even gonna check it out though. And then guys, if you look up, there's a hole. I don't even know what that is. Okay. We have a little security system in there. But guys, you know, when you deal with houses like this is a big house. It's got big rooms. It's a lot of paint. It's a lot of flooring. It's a lot of doors. It's a lot of woodwork. It's big cabinets. It's big countertops. It's exterior work. There's rot on the exterior that we have to correct. It just adds up quick, and we're in a market right now where things are expensive, inflation's going up, and things that used to cost X amount of dollars now cost Y. So when we do bigger rehabs like this, you're looking at pretty significant rehab numbers. Now, with that being said, when this is completed, it's gonna be an absolute home run. This thing is a monster. I absolutely love it. It just needs everything. I mean, it needs a ton of cosmetic work. It needs a ton of electrical updates. We don't know how the plumbing works, so that's a question mark. But other than that, guys, you know, it looks really good. It's gonna be an amazing rental. It's a big house, it's on a great neighborhood, it's on a great street, and I couldn't love the roof anymore. It's got a beautiful metal roof over the whole thing. I think it's gonna just be such a great rental. I see this renting for somewhere between $1,250 and $1,300 a month. With a purchase price of $50,000 and needing somewhere between 30 and 40 in work, and probably on the higher end of that because of just everything that needs to be done. But we're touching everything. So when we touch everything like that, things get, you know, can add up quickly, and we'll see what really needs to be done in here. But just judging from what I see, that's kind of what I'm thinking. So guys, let me know what your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think, and this is definitely a property we'll go back to the seller and try to negotiate a little bit lower because of all of the damage and all of the work that needs to be done in here. I don't think anybody's been in this house for about 6 to 12 months. I think it's just kind of been sitting here. So, you know, the humidity builds up, and you have humidity, and you have cold, and you have humid, and you have cold. It just kind of does a job on these houses too. So guys, thanks for watching. Leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to all of them, and we'll see you next time.